Today we are going to solve equation if we have y is equal to 2k x plus 7, and another equation is which is curve y is equal to 3 plus kx square 3 plus kx square. Then how do we solve these two equations simultaneously? So if you look at this now, y is equal to 2kx plus 7 and y is equal to 3 plus kx square. One is quadratic while the other one is linear. Number one and number two. So first look at this. The simultaneous solution of linear and quadratic equation can be possible in these ways, that this line may intersect at this curve at 2 points. The second case is this line may intersect at this line at 1 point, mean it is tangent to the curve. And the third case may be this line do not intersect the curve. So there can be three different cases possible in these conditions, that maybe this linear line or linear equation can intersect the curve at two different points. At one point that is tangent to the curve, it may be tangent to the curve or do not intersect. If this line intersect the curve at two different points, it means disk or b square minus 4ac would be greater than 0. If this line intersect at point at one point, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If this line do not intersect the line, then it means b square minus 4ac less than 0. So here we have two equations, and he said find the value of k, find k, find the k if this line is tangent to the curve, mean this line is tangent to the curve to this line. So y is equal to 2x plus 7 is tangent to the curve, and we have to find k. So it means we solve them simultaneously. So how do we solve them simultaneously? Just put value of y into this equation. So 2kx plus 7 is equal to 3 plus kx square. So now shift them on one side, kx square minus 2kx. So plus 3 minus 7 equal to 0. So kx square minus 2kx and minus 7 equal to 0. So if you look at this question, so we have another parameter or another constant k. So unless we find the value of k, we cannot find the intersectional point of the curve and the line and the curve. So, but before this, we should find the value of k. So how do we find the value of k? This is called equation number 3. Equation number 1, which is curve, equation number 2 is line, and equation number 3 we get to solve them simultaneously. So for this purpose, he gave us some extra information that he already tells us that this line is tangent to the curve. It means tangent to the curve. Look at these three conditions. Tangent to the curve, it means this line intersect at the curve at one point. So b square minus 4ac would be equal to 0 for this equation. That because this is tangent to the curve, so we will use b square minus 4ac equal to 0 to find k first. After that, we can find the intersectional point. So just put the value of a, b, c into this discriminant. B is minus 2k minus 4 a into k, and c is to minus 7 equal to 0. So it would become 4k square minus into minus plus 4 7 times 28k is equal to 0. So 4k is common and k plus 7 is equal to 0, and k is equal to 0 because 4k is equal to 0, k would be 0 while k would be minus 7 from this equation. So in this way we have two values of k. So k is equal to 0 and k is equal to minus 7. So here we have find the value of k. If he said find the intersectional point for both value of k, then put these two value into this equation and solve this equation for value of x. So the next question, let's take some another example. Example number 2, that is y is equal to kx minus 4 and y is equal to x square. And he said find the set of values of k for which the line this intersect the curve at two distinct points. This line intersect the curve at two distinct points. This curve is this at two distinct points. So again, distinct points. Now look at this. We have a k in these two equations. So we cannot find the intersection point unless we find the value of k. And he's not asking the for intersection point. He's just asking the value of k. So again, we solve them simultaneously. Kx minus 4 is equal to, whenever he talk about the intersectional point, so we solve them simultaneously. So x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0. So he said find the value of k for this line intersect the curve at two distinct points. So if you look at this, so for two distinct points, this discriminant should be greater than 0. So how do we solve for this equation that the discriminant was b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0? It means now put the value of b and all those things. B is minus k whole square minus 4 into 1 into c is 4 greater than 0. So k square minus 16 greater than 0. Now it is a quadratic inequality. So you should know how to solve a quadratic inequality. K minus 4 and k plus 4. There are two methods to solve a quadratic inequality. One is by sketching the graph and the other one is by showing on number lines. So we have two solutions. So actually here I'm going to draw the curve, that how can you find the solution of the this curve by sketching a graph. K square, because minus 16 is a quadratic function and it is the intersectional point or the x-intercept are k is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 4. It means minus 4 here and plus 4 here are two intersectional points. Greater than 0, first sketch the curve because the coefficient of k square is positive. So it will open upward like this. Greater than 0, because I said there are three regions. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So the possible solution for this inequality, either the number 2 solution or number 1 and 3. So because it is greater than 0 mean that greater than 0 which interval for k greater than 4 and k less than minus 4. If you move from 4 to on this side, So you look at this, the curve is going upward, that is greater than 0. And if you move backward from -4, then curve is also going upward. So the solution for this curve is k less than -4 and k greater than 4. So these are the set of values that k greater than 4 and k less than -4 are two regions. Okay, the next question is, this is a question number 3 of today's lecture. The straight line passes through the point 1, 0. A line passes through point 1, 0, has a gradient m. Write down the equation of the line. This is the first part of the question, that we have to write down the equation of the line. So we know that y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of the line. So y is equal to 0, m is m, x is 1, so plus c. So c is equal to m. So this equation can be written in the form of mx plus m. So we have the value of c is m. So the next part, look, the line L is tangent to the curve. Next is, he said that line is tangent to the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. So if this line is tangent to the curve, then find the value of m. Then find m, that this line, this is tangent to this curve. So it means that just 1 second, please. So if you have any question, then you can ask.